races on Panamera. From the outside, Tiger, Rivik Danori. Inside is Jay Nicole. Transformer, Sugar Daddy is the early trailer. Tiger, Rivik, Panamera fighting it out for the lead. And racing in third by about 5 lengths is Jay Nicole. 4 lengths, corner back in for the Sugar Daddy and Transformer. Tiger Rivik by half a length, followed by Panamera, and watching in third by about 6 lengths, Jay Nicole, and rounding the far turn, Tiger Rivik by half a length, Panamera. Jay Nicole getting closer in third as Tiger Rivik by ahead, and Panamera. Jay Nicole running in third by about 4 lengths as they race the final corner. Tiger Rivik, Panamera, Jay Nicole, Danori inside, but still Tiger Rivik, Panamera, and on the outside is Jay Nicole. Tiger Rivik, Panamera, Jay Nicole on the outside. Panamera, Jay Nicole is on the outside. Panamera, Jay Nicole on the outside, and final is going to be Panamera, Jay Nicole, Tiger Rivik, Transformer, and Sugar Daddy.